Hello friends! Today we're going to be putting together this gravity-propelled toy. At the beginning of the video there's also a dragon hopper, which is the same concept, so these instructions can be followed for both models. It looks like it'll be a lot of fun, so please feel free to join us. I'll have a link in the description to where you can purchase it if you like. There are also tons of other options, fun little critters that like to hop, so check it out. I strongly encourage it. The instructions say we should paint this before we finish it, before the third step, because the paint and other things could hinder the movement of the mechanism, but I want to have a finished product today to show you guys, so I'm going to ignore that. We'll do another video and decorate it to show you how and for some inspiration. So right now I'm applying glue to all the places I need to apply it on the side of the dinosaur. You want to apply it to these side pieces rather than the centerpiece. I did that when I was practicing and I got glue all over places that shouldn't have glue, and you don't want the glue in the way when you end up decorating it. So make sure you put the glue on those side pieces. After you've applied the glue, then press it together nicely, let it set up, and try to line everything up so it's nice and smooth and flush on the bottom. If you've got the tail pieces kind of cockeyed, when it travels, it may not go in a straight line. Now that we've got the first side glued together, we're going to make sure that it is relatively dry before we start messing around with the other side. I'm also going to take my time pulling the dowels out and make sure that the dowels fit in. We want to make sure that those fit in. That's very important for the final product. There it looks like it fits. I'm going to make sure that that side, before it completely sets, does allow the dowel to get in there. I'm going to try it from a couple different angles. It looks like it's okay. Now we're ready for the other side. Got to apply that glue again. Love getting messy. Actually, no, I don't. It's kind of annoying. I hate having glue on my hands. Smear it around, make it all pretty. Try to get it on every surface you got there, but I'm trying to stay away from the hole because I do not want any glue to get into that hole. Ugh, that'll just cause problems for the dowel. It won't move properly. Stay away from the hole. We're going to press it down just like we did the other one. I think I'll put on his head, the two sides of his face. I'm just going to use my extra glue here and smear it on there. Might be enough. Yes. On it goes. Line that up. It's not quite as important for this to line up perfectly, since this doesn't have anything to do with the mechanism and the movement of the piece. Ta-da! It's looking good, and I think we're ready to put on the other side. We'll stick it on there and press it, and we're almost done with our dinosaur. He's looking pretty good. Maybe we should name him Herman. He kind of looks like a Herman. Now that the glue's set up a proper amount of time, let's start putting in the fun parts. We'll grab our dowels, and there is a piece of sandpaper in the kit that's provided. That's that little square there. For sanding down the dowels if they fit too tightly. I think we're okay. I don't think I really need to sand it down any. I forgot that I need to glue the ends of these dowels here. I don't know if I've got the technique down quite right, but I have to glue the dowel to the leg. Goes leg, washer, dinosaur. And now we'll put on the other washer. Glue that top leg on, but we want to make sure that we put the other dowel in between the two legs so we don't go and glue the leg on at a weird angle and it doesn't work properly. So let's stick that dowel in there, feed it through, and then we'll glue it. Alright, well I think I struggle a little bit with basic tactile functions like sticking pins through holes, but I managed, and if I can do it, you can do it.
All right, he is done and ready to rumble. So I'm gonna find an incline for him. So here is a piece of tile left over from our kitchen project. And I'm gonna use this. You could use a book, a board, anything you like, but this is nice and long and straight and flat. I'm gonna grab my Mancala game, set it up like so. Make sure it's all level. And let's see how he goes. Okay, so this is not the correct angle for him. I need to have him a little bit higher up. That's a little fast for him, so maybe a little bit lower. Whoop. Stick my little glue bottle right there. Oops. Well, maybe that'll still work. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Back so the whole thing is in the shot, and
thank you so much for watching. Please click the like button and subscribe and all that good stuff so you can get our next video. See you next time.